Hello guys, my name is BOU, and as you can see we are on the Microsoft Teams website. First of all, Microsoft Teams is a business communication platform created by Microsoft, and at this moment is one of the most popular softwares for that company use for sharing information. They use it as a communication tool and a few things I'm gonna show you forward in this video because today guys I'm gonna give you a basic tutorial of how Microsoft Teams works. First of all, as you can see, I'm on the home page in the website, and if you guys have an account, you just have to press here that is supposed to say login, and if you don't have an account, you have to create one, pressing here that's supposed to say sign up. I'm here logging in. Microsoft Teams usually opens on this page, the page where says Teams, and as you can see, here is where your teams are. What are your teams? The teams are the groups that you're part of. As you can see here, this was my last year math class. If I go here, it will appear the class notebooks, the assignments, my grades, and even the chat. The chat is here as well as let me oh look, here are the files too. All the files that are uploaded to or submitted to this chat, it will be here up here in this page. Here, as you can see, you have the option to create a meeting. Let's just go back. This one is my another class, my current class of computer science. Starting here in activity, you always have to be looking often this part of Microsoft Teams, because this is your activity feed. This is where all the notifications gonna appear every time someone mentions you, every time someone makes a reply, every type of notification, it will appear here. As you can see, Filiberto is the name of my professor, and it says that Filiberto add you to Coti 3205. So that's my team. That's something I should know and something important. So please guys, make sure you always are looking often this place. As you can see, here is the other chat. This is the Coti chat, and as you can see too, here's this video. This is a meeting, because here in Microsoft Teams you can also record your videos, also record your meetings. I'm sorry. Here we have the chats. This was a chat I had with my math professor. We were scheduling a test. Here are the assignments. As you can see, I have no assignments at the moment. Here is the calendar. In the calendar you can sketch your meetings. You can exactly put the day and the hour you wanna make it. Here is the calls. Here you will be your calls history, your contacts. I don't usually use this often. I honestly, I think I never use this, because I always I'm always using my team's meetings to communicate with my other teammates. And here are all the files. As you can see, those are projects that I submitted to my classes. And here are some other apps of Microsoft. This is not something too much important. These are all the apps that runs with Microsoft Teams as well. And I think that's the most important things you should know about Microsoft Teams. Thank you guys for your attention. And